but I'm still alive.
Alright, what's good, YouTube? So Assan Campbell got shot. I don't know if you know what Assan Campbell is, but if you're into hip hop or hip hop media, because he's a media person now, you know Assan Campbell got shot. We're gonna get right into it.
I'm not running from nobody. Nobody. Where the shooters at?
He's literally asking where the shooters are at. I don't think that's a smart thing to do. I think he's on live right now. Yeah, he has to be on live.
Wait, where is he right now?
I don't know. It looks like O Block. I have no idea. He's literally asking though. That's actually the dumbest thing I ever heard. He's on live saying where the shooter's at.
I'm grabbing the keys right
Like he's grabbing the keys.
He's throwing bottles out the window. Come outside. I stabbed your mama to death. What?
He's making it hard to be on his side. I'm not gonna lie to you. He's making it very hard.
That's what I thought. I stabbed your mama to death. That's something happened to me in Bronx, but I guarantee my niggas will come through this shit and switch truth. What's Jesus? Don't stay in the window. Come outside with the shooters.
How old is he?
What happened though? What up though?
You want to check? 47 years old.
It's too late for him too. You're too old to be doing this, bro.
Everybody got something to say. Until a real nigga got something to say. Come outside. That's my shit.
He has to be blicked up, right?
Yeah.
There's no way he's not blicked up talking like this.
I'm not gonna lie.
What?
Nah.
What? You're not gonna lie? What? Say it. You scared?
Nah, cause I also think he's like he has to. Is he on something?
Most likely.
He has to be blicked up.
No, like, I don't know him like that. Like, I don't know if he'd be on. Like, I don't know.
Throw something else out the window. I promise you, I'll throw your mother down some steps.
Yo! No!
Wait. There's someone like. Can you like fill me in? Like, what is he talking about?
I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not filled in that much. Like, I don't know what the beef be on over there. I know like people be beefing on stupid shit, but I don't know like exactly. Look at his frozen.
But he messing with like a gang. He messing with like residents, like civilians. Like, what is he? Like?
I just know them as Opps. He calls them Opps, I think. So.
I'm not gonna lie. I used to do that when I was younger too.
Come outside though. I'll throw your mom down some steps and some wild shit. I'm not gonna lie to you.
That's bugging.
Throw something else out this window and let me catch you. I know every floor, every apartment. I will throw your mother. And while I'm throwing your mother down the flight of steps, I'm gonna throw you down the flight of steps.
You're next.
You little nigga.
What's that nigga? Wait, what's that nigga in the back?
I don't know, bro. I'm about to check.
Y'all niggas got me fucked up.
Yeah, this guy looks super sus right here. What is it?
What up, though? What up, though?
He's reaching his pocket. Hold on.
You don't see it? Does he not see it's on live?
Hey, turn around, bro.
Yeah, turn around, dog. Please turn around, bro. This is some like he just they're locking eyes right now. He's like, he just goes, bro.
He's like, oh shoot.
You should grab the phone.
Yeah, nah, this actually reminds me of like dead GTA. This is dead GTA.
Yo, this guy Assan Campbell, he's funny though. I like him. Like I don't want him to get hurt or anything, but like, he's asking for it for real. Like.
I see.
Okay, see the guy's creeping up right there, so he's like saying, "Oh, I see him creeping."
Who that?
Who the heck? Oh, he's a who the heck? Apparently he's in a car right now.
I need to get to the hospital quick.
Yo, it's not funny, but like that shit fucked up to laugh, but like, bro, dude, come on, bro.
He driving himself?
I don't think so. Hold on.
Took a Uber.
He's beeping. He might be driving himself. Damn.
Nah, leave him. Come on, go. I got you. Go straight.
I need to get to the hospital.
I got you.
Son.
I'm gonna get you to the ambulance.
Red light camera reported ahead.
Ooh. Oh, wait.
Pull over. Let's just get your ambulance.
That bullet getting hot.
I know. That's why I said just pull over. Let me get your ambulance.
This is him at the hospital. He pulled out the camera again, went live again.
What up, people? You'll see me up in this house.
Bro, you gotta get off live. The ops about to pull up to the hospital, bro. Finish the job, dog. Chill.
Yeah. So up. But I'm still alive.
Do you think he's low-key happy he got shot? Like, it like proves that he's really about it. Now he's gonna be bragging about I got shot, but I'm still like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah. I mean, maybe
he's a little bit happy he got shot, bro.
So this is the bullet that got me right here.
Nah, that nigga's heaty. Nah, do you think they like this nigga? Like, you know, like that friend that's mad problematic, but like, they still you gotta still take care of.
No, yeah, I'm guessing that they're all like that. When I'm saying they're all like that, I don't mean like the part of recording. Maybe that. Like I don't think like he likes being recorded on live. Probably.
Yeah, true.
What's he doing?
Yo, chat, I'm gonna keep it 100 with you. I don't like y'all when y'all get disrespectful to my friends like that. It really upsets me. Y'all not gonna say that. Y'all not gonna say my man gunshot wound looked like a COVID-19 vaccine, bro. Y'all not gonna say that. I'm not gonna let y'all tolerate. I'm not gonna tolerate y'all saying that, and I'm gonna like keep y'all in my chat. I'm gonna have to ban you, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. There's no way you gonna call my man gunshot wound a COVID-19 vaccine. I'm not gonna let it happen, bro. Not gonna let it happen. I ain't gonna lie, I made that one up. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, that is actually hilarious, bro. I'm just gonna add it to the last clip.
Who's getting inspired by him though?
No one's getting inspired. Like, wait, what do you think this title means?
How many Asgas? Oh. Wait, so he was really a threat, like.
Apparently, that's what he's saying. Or just listen.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not lying to nobody. When I cry and you see me cry, like there was so many niggas. Even still now, I be mad at this nigga. Like, why you ain't let me get that nigga? There's niggas that I wanted. Yo, I don't give a fuck that I wanted to kill.
This nigga's face is mad. You think he believes him? Like,
I think for the most part that he probably does believe him, but he's probably just thinking like you're dragging it, bro. Like, you don't gotta do all this, bro. Like,
yeah,
niggas that I wanted. Yo, I don't give a fuck that I wanted to kill. And I feel like that now. Like, why these niggas yo, just leave him. Just let him. Nigga. My brother stopped me from killing a lot of niggas. A lot of niggas. I cried. Like, nah, why we letting this nigga go? Why we letting
look
this
at act though.
A lot of you niggas, they let you niggas, a lot of you niggas let you niggas, they let you niggas go. And I'll be sitting up there crying like, I got kids to take care now. I got a wife and family to take care. But sometimes
Does it sound like he's trying to cry?
I don't know.
He's like trying to bring that real gangster emotion, like.
I don't know. I feel he's a really good actor too. Though. He has to be. Like, there's no way that he made it this far without like.
wanting to be that nigga. Like, I'm not who you think I am, and I don't give a fuck about the jury or anything else, cause shit was taken away from me in these streets.
You're telling me that's not acting, Tyler? That was good. He got me, nigga. He got me too, and I was like, damn, nigga. I'm about to join, nigga.
Like, where after you said that?
This nigga's like a hood recruit, nigga.
Alright, so I just want to say though, one more time, I do like this guy. I'm glad that he didn't really get any serious injuries. It was just in the shoulder. He recovered real fast. He was back in the streets the next day. My boy was really in that, bro. And all wishes to him. I hope he stays safe. The Opps, I hope he catches. Nah, I'm playing. I'm playing.
You're done.
I hope everybody stays safe for real. Hope no one catches nobody. I hope everybody misses, for real. And if you like the video, leave a like, subscribe. Do you have anything to say?
I just want to say one more thing. Like, having a haircut with no fade, like, I don't know. I was looking at it the whole time, bro. He didn't say too much, but like, he said a lot. You know what I'm saying?
Alright, so leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Peace.